Today I will be teaching you how to solve a cube. First, we will need to solve the cross on the right side. First, we will need to find an edge piece on the bottom layer. Then align it to its center, like this, blue to blue. And then we will turn 180 degrees to solve one. For this special case, when you align it to its center, when you turn 180 degrees, the white side will not be facing up, so the cross could not be done. This is what you will need to do. F clockwise, U clockwise, L anti-clockwise, and U anti-clockwise. If those edge pieces are in the middle layer, which is not in the upper layer, what you will need to do is put that on the right side. Do R anti-clockwise, D anti-clockwise, and R. Then it will become the first or second case. F anti-clockwise, U clockwise, L anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise. For step 3, we need to do the first layer. We will first need to flip the cube 180 degrees. We will look for the U layer. The first corner I saw was the green, orange, and white one. We put it on the right hand side. Do U clockwise, R clockwise, U anti-clockwise, R anti-clockwise. Repeat it until you get to the corner to bottom while the white face facing downwards. Do it to every corner. After you have done the first layer, it is time to do the second layer. From the U layer, you will need to find the piece that you will be inserting. Align it to the center piece. And this one will need to go to the right side. As it needs to go to the right side, so you will need to do U, R, U prime, R prime. And rotate to the right side and do U prime, L prime, U and L. So it will make this piece to go to the right place. And this one, after you align it, it will need to go into the left side. So you will need to do U prime, L prime, U, L, and rotate to the left side and do U, R, U prime, R. If you got into this case, do the same algorithm. If the case is aligned, put it horizontally. Do F clockwise, R clockwise, U clockwise, R anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise, F anti-clockwise. For case 2, you will need to put this way, and you will need to do the algorithm. Then it will become case 1. For case 3, you can just do the algorithm, and it will become case 2. For step 5, we will finish the yellow cross. If you see this case, put the solved piece on the left side and at the back. Then do the algorithm. R clockwise. Turn the upper layer twice. R anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise, R clockwise, U anti-clockwise, R anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise. If you see this case, put the solved piece horizontally and do the algorithm. It will turn into case 1. Step 6. We will make all the corners into the correct place. We will first find if there is one correct corner. We see that the orange, blue, and yellow corner piece are correct. We will do the algorithm. L anti-clockwise, U clockwise, R clockwise, U anti-clockwise, L clockwise, U clockwise, R anti-clockwise, U anti-clockwise. If it doesn't work, just like this. Try to do the algorithm once more. If you can't find any corners that are correct in place, then just do the algorithm. Finally, the last step for solving your cube. Turn the cube upside down and see the corner. If the yellow is facing you, do U clockwise, R clockwise, U counterclockwise, R counterclockwise 2 times. Turn the bottom layer to an unsolved corner. If it is not facing you, then do the algorithm 4 times. At last, congrats for solving the cube!